This is so gorgeous. It smells good here. Like, it just smells lovely. And whenever the trees clear, because you see I'm going back into the thicket. Oh, and let me say this. So I've always wanted to like go through the Amazon. You can hear the birds. It's so beautiful out here. I always wanted to go to the Amazon and like go through the rainforest and kind of do a tour and explore and find different flowers and different plants and things like that, right? That's like always been so gorgeous. To walk through the rainforest, right, in South America. Story time, back to the story. But you guys, looking here, like look how thick that is. It's almost like, the only way I can explain it is as if the trees are like fighting for space. Like everything's fighting for space. There's no way you can walk through there. No way. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I just want to... Hello, tree. How long have you been here for? Hello. Oh, it just feels so amazing. Look at that. Wow. Look at all those doggies. Somebody has like 1,000 doggies. Look, it's so gorgeous.